Best exhaust I've ever heard.
How kind of exhaust did they put on that?
Yeah. Shit.
You ever heard 3 pops like that?
No.
No, that's crazy.
They may be riding together, those 3 BMW.
What you say?
They may be riding together, those 3 BMW.
They gotta be, yeah.
Yeah.
I saw them. I was like, well, they all seem modified.
Yeah.